Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Thai Basil Beef. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and check out the description box below, which has a ton of groovy links and also the recipe for this video. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Thai Basil Beef. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for it. We are going to start out with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 bell pepper, 1 sweet onion, about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 cup of loosely packed fresh basil leaves. And then for our sauce for this, we're going to combine 1 tablespoon of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. That's all there is to that. Let's start cooking. Alright, before we even start cooking, I'm going to get this sauce made. So we're going to go ahead and add our soy sauce. We're going to add the brown sugar. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of get this all incorporated into that. Our lime juice, the fish sauce, and then that chili paste. Alright, we got this all ready to go. I'm going to go add this to our mise en place. I'll meet you over there. Alright, as always, we have our mise en place right there. We've got our beef, our basil, our onions, our peppers, our sauce that we just got done doing, our garlic and our olive oil, and we're going to use our pan right here. So I'm going to set up this shot right here and then we'll get to cooking. Alright, get the pan hot, add your ground beef, and just let this brown off. I suppose I should have added the oil too. There we go. Add the oil second if you haven't added it first. Now, normally with this dish, Thai Basil Beef, the peppers and onions are left in a strip, a julienne, but since we're using ground beef, I think that it's better to cook them into the ground beef in a small dice like this instead of long strips. If we were doing strips of beef, I would have added the julienne vegetables because that kind of matches what you're doing, but we're not doing that with any strips of beef. We're doing it with ground beef, and I'm just doing a little bit different than everybody else on the internet. So get this browned up here a little bit more and we'll add our garlic. So I'm sure you noticed in the picture with the basil, this basil is kind of ratty and beat up. I've had it for quite a while, but we are going to add it into the dish and stir it in there to get hot, and so it's just gonna break down anyway. But it is, you're right, starting to look pretty bad. It's oxidizing, but this is a great way to get rid of your basil if you've had it for a long time and you want to cook it off. It's better than wasting it. So that's what we're going to do with that. So now that we have our ground beef coming up to temp here, I'm going to add our peppers and onions in here and let them join the party. Stir that up really good. We'll go ahead and add our garlic. Let this all come together and keep cooking. I'm going to go ahead and throw a lid on it as well. Alright, beef is cooking, vegetables are softening up. This smells fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and throw in our sauce now. We're going to let this cook down just a little bit and incorporate into the meat and the vegetables. Wow, that smells good. Then we're going to throw our basil right in there. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit wilted or a little oxidized because this is going to cook down as well. There you go, it's in there. Turn the heat off. Putting the lid on there. We're going to plate this up. We're going to make it look awesome. Then we're going to take photos of it for social media, lay those photos into this timeline of this video, and play some awesome music with it. and we'll be right back to taste it. Don't go anywhere. Taste. Beautiful shots. I love taking pictures of beautiful food. Let's see what this tastes like. You got a lot of flavor in there. The garlic, the soy sauce are coming right off the top. That umami from the soy sauce, the garlic. And then you got that fish sauce kind of cuts through and makes everything work with the lime juice and the sugar. And but that fish sauce really just kind of blends everything together and makes it work. There's not really a lot of heat from that chili paste, but you can add a little more if you want for some heat, or add it on top. I almost did that with the picture, but I didn't. But very colorful with the peppers and the onions. Gives it a little bit of a crunch as well. That basil's in there in about every bite. And it gives it a little bit of that sweet taste that you like in the basil. The rice, good compliment. You can do this with noodles as well. But I hope you give it a try. This is Thai Basil Beef. Easy to make. Most of the things are in your cupboard. Get rid of your leftover basil that you're worried about going bad. Good way to get rid of it. Thanks a lot for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button. And then don't forget to share with everybody that you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.